వెల్కమ్ టు లా ఎక్సలెన్స్ డైలీ కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్ సెషన్కి స్వాగతం. ఈ సెషన్లో మనం ఫ్యూ ఇంపార్టెంట్ టాపిక్స్ నేర్చుకుందాం. టాపిక్ దట్ ఈస్ ఒమేగా సెంటారీ. Omega Centauri. Astronomers and scientists at the Indian Institute of Astrophysics, IIA, Indian Institute of Astrophysics, while studying this Omega Centauri, they found it that hot stars and white dwarfs are emitted, hot stars and dwarfs, they emitted less ultraviolet radiation than expected. So why we need to learn that it is important in our science and technology part? It comes under the gs3 science and technology part. Our team of scientists at the Indian Institute of Astrophysics, they detected the strange hot stars in this globular structure or globular cluster using the ultraviolet imaging telescope images on the AstroSat, India's first dedicated space laboratory, which is being operated since 2015. So we have learned about the globular clusters, right? So what do you mean by these globular clusters? Globular clusters are spherical aggregates of several thousands to millions of stars, which are bounded by the gravity. So these systems are thought to have formed early on the universe and can serve as a perfect astrophysical laboratories for astronomers to understand how stars evolve through various phases. Omega Centauri, it is the globular cluster, so in the constellation of Centaurus, that was the first identified as non-stellar object. Who identified that? Edmond Halley identified that in 1677. So it is located at the distance of 17,090 light years. 17,090 light years. It is the largest and known globular cluster in the Milky Way, with the diameter of 150 light years. So do you know what is galaxy is? What is galaxy? A galaxy, it is a huge collection of gas, dust, and billions of stars, and their solar systems, they bound together by the gravity, and Milky Way is stuffed with 100 billion and 400 billion other stars, and many of them with the planets of their own, and the Milky Way got its name from the way it looks from the ground, so like a streak of the split milk across the sky. So this is about our current affairs today. So if you have any doubts, you can let me know in the comment section. I'll try to resolve them in our next coming session. So these are current affairs which are related to GS paper 1, 3 and 2, which are very important. Go through these topics again, which are very important for your prelims and mains point of view.